Hi, hello, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and I'm back with the second half of my trip to Japan. If you missed the first one, definitely check it out. I've got it linked down below. This morning we started off with a trip to my favorite bakery that just happens to be right outside the train station that we take every day, and I got breakfast here almost every day that we were in Japan. These red bean paste buns were amazing. So we grabbed some breakfast, grabbed the train, and we're gonna head to a farmer's market. So it was super cold and windy, and we decided to look around for a building to warm up in, and I managed to find a bookstore. I was beyond excited. This bookstore was so cool. It had an awesome selection of magazines, and I picked up a really cool one that I will show you in my haul video that's coming up next. But whenever I'm traveling to a non-English speaking country, I like to try to get one of my favorite books in that language. And right now I'm collecting the Heartstopper graphic novels in other languages, and I have one in French, and I was so excited to look for a copy here to find volume 1 in Japanese. Next, we stopped in Uematsu Art Supply, which had multiple floors of art supplies, but we didn't have a lot of time to spend here. However, I did manage to pick up a couple of things that I will show you in the art supply haul. Our next stop was a cat cafe. I couldn't go to Japan without getting a cat fix. And in Japan, owning a pet is super expensive, and so a lot of places also don't allow pets, which is why you see a lot of very well cared for street cats, and you also see cat cafes being very popular, not just with the tourists. was so excited to finally make it to Hokkaido. I had watched a ton of YouTube videos from different creators that have visited Japan, and Hokkaido was at the top of my list to visit, and it did not disappoint. Definitely the part that I was most looking forward to was the art book section. So they have a ton of amazing references, and you don't really need to read Japanese to be able to use the different reference books, and I picked up several, which I will show you in the next video. So this is the end of our trip to Japan. It was absolutely amazing, and I hope you enjoyed coming along with me. I hope you're having a great week wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next one.